Okay, in this guitar instruction video, we're going to play a lead over a progression using the relative minor. So you saw that progression that I played. I was arpeggiating. If you want, you could just play a D. You can play the power chords. You can play the first position to an A minor, to a C, to a G. So you're starting in the D. Either you can strum it, or you can arpeggiate it. If you're a little bit more advanced, you can arpeggiate it. So if we're in the key of D, it's the first position bar chord. The root is on the D, which is the 6th string, 10th fret in this case. Now, if I want to play a lead, I'm assuming that a lot of you already know this scale, the pentatonic scale. It's an easy enough scale to learn. Simply just starting on the 6th string, going through the first string. But if you don't know it, check out one of my videos. In fact, my first video, how to play a blues scale. So that's the blues scale in D, but we're going to play it in the relative minor. Well, what do I mean by a relative minor? Well, just think about major and minor chords, okay? So we're in a major chord. Instead of playing that lead in the key of D, we're going to go to D major's relative minor. How do I find it? Okay, once again, I'm on the 6th string, 10th fret. I'm going to go down 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm in B. So you take that same blues scale. You can take the one with the blues scale and the one with the blues scale with the extension. And one from the 10th fret, 3 half steps down to B. So I'm playing the D. Now I'm in B. I'm in this scale right here. So I can play this real simple. I could do the lead right here. But in this video, we're going to go to the relative minor of the chord. This is a D major chord. We're going to the relative minor, which is B. And we're going to play, starting on the 3rd string, the little fill, 9th fret with my 3rd finger, full step bend, bring it down, 9th fret bend, bring it down to the 9th fret with your 3rd finger, and then just play the 7th fret, 3rd string with your 1st finger. Go to the A minor. So we're in A minor, so we're just going to stay in the key of A minor. All right? And in this case, we're playing, I'm going to show you all this stuff a little while. I got it all written out, so you can have it. So you can just watch, try to play along, or just watch for now. On the 3rd string, 5th fret with our 1st finger, we're going to play 5, 6, 1st and 2nd finger on the 3rd string, and then 5th and 8th frets, 1st and 4th fingers. Wind up on the A there. 1, 2, 1, 4, 1. A minor. So I'm playing that right in the key, right in this pentatonic scale in A minor. Now we're going to go to C major. Well, how do we find the relative minor to C major? Do the exact same thing. You find the root. In this case, this root for this chord is on the 6th string, 8th fret. Go down how many half steps? That's right, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going from the 8th down to the 7th, 6th, 5th. So don't count that root as one. Just go down 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3 to A minor. Okay? Because now I play the D and A minor and a C. Go to the A minor, and we're going to play to a G. Well, here's the root on G. Go down 3 half steps. F sharp's your first one. F, It's your second. Your third one is E. So I'd suggest you go up to the E, starting on the 12th fret. In this case, we're going to start on 12th fret, 4th string with your first finger. Play the 14th fret with your third finger. Do the exact same thing you did on the 4th string on the 3rd string. 12th and 14th frets with your 1st and 3rd finger. Then play 1, 4, 1, 4. 12th and 15th frets, both on the 2nd and 1st strings with your 1st and 4th fingers. So that's... You can alternate your picking, or you can use all downs. So that's for the G. All right, so take a screenshot. There's the progression. Here's the D. And you're going right into this easy part, okay? I'm going to put a measure for the easy part, and then we're going to go over it, a more challenging part as well. Okay? It's really cool. I think it's really cool. So for D, that's what we're going to do. Here's the easy part. It stops right there. So we took a screenshot of that. So you can arpeggiate it, which is starting on the 3rd string. 3rd, 4th, 5th. Play twice on the 6th string. Then you can just play, which is the 9th fret. Bring it down. Or you can do the hard part, which is... And that also is right there. So for those of you who are a little bit more advanced, you can try that. So after D, we're going to play the A minor. All right. Here's your line for A minor. A minor. And we're playing 3rd string, 5th and 6th frets. 2nd string, 5th and 8th frets, 1st and 4th fingers. Now we can go to the harder part, which is the exact same beginning. Do that 4 times. You're bending the 7th fret on the 3rd string with your 3rd finger. But while you're bending that, you're already making the bar. You're barring the first 2 strings on the 5th fret with your 1st finger. And you're going to be playing that down, down, up, down, down, up. The reason you want to pick it down, down, up is so that you can get some speed. Then you're going to play on the 1st string, the 8th and 10th frets, a hammer-on pull-off. So you hammer on and you pull off. 8th and 10th frets with your 1st and 3rd finger on the 1st string. And then you're going to go to the 2nd string, 10th fret, 8th fret, and then a vibrato on the 10th fret. So you're playing... Now we're on C major. And we're going to go to the relative minor, which is down here in A minor position. And we're playing for the C. We'll get the C right here. And get the G as well. We're in C major, relative minor is A minor. So if somebody's playing a song in C major, you can play a lead. You know that blues scale, and the blues scale with the extension, you can play it right there. So we're going to play the C, then we're going to play on the 1st string, 8th, 7th, 5th strings with your 4th, 3rd, and 1st fingers. And then on the 2nd string, just play 8th and 5th fret, and then on the 3rd string, 7th and 5th fret. 4, 3, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1. If you want to make it more complicated, then you can play. So what you want to do with that, I'm I'm going to give you exactly what you need. A down, down, up, picking. So if you see like a little box, three-sided box that's down, the caret is an up. Right there again. So on the 7th fret, full step bend. Barring the first 2 strings with my first finger on the 5th fret. 4th finger goes on the 8th fret. A down pick. And then up. Down, down, up, down, up. Here we go. There you go. You can do that like 2 or 4 times. Play it slow at first. And you work on that, you'll get it faster. So the last thing we're going to do, we'll play the G. And then you're just going to play, like I said before, starting on the 4th string, 12th fret with your first finger, 14th fret. So you play 1, 3, 1, 3, 12th and 14th frets, both on the 4th and 3rd strings. Then on the 12th and 15th frets on the 2nd and 1st strings with your 1st and 4th fingers. And then what you can do is give a full step bend on the 17th fret, 1st string with your 3rd finger. Bring it down. Give a vibrato on the 15th fret. So I'm going to play all of it slow. I'll do the more difficult part since we did the easier part. A minor. To a C. Again. To a G. Let me go over that C part again. And there you go. So that's how you play the relative minor. Go down 3 half steps from the major. So it has to say like a D major or C major or G major. You go down 3 half steps behind it. Once again, D, 3 down, 3 half steps down to a B minor. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you guys got any questions, please comment. If anybody's looking to learn how to play any songs, yeah, just give me a shout out and I'll accommodate. Keep playing and have fun.